Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can change your text to voice or voice to text in Filmora 11. So first of all, click on this new project option. So first of all, you should have to enter your voice here to convert it into the text. So you can click on this import button and import your media files from here. You click on this record button, and if I wanna record the voiceover, I click on this record voiceover option. So if I click on this start button, hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can change your voice to text or text to voice from Filmora 11. As you can see, I have added a voiceover here. As you can see, guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can change your voice to text or text to voice from Filmora 11. So first of all, you have to click on this project to this voiceover, and then you see the interface like this. Here you can see the option speech to text or text to speech. So first of all, click on this speech to text option. If I click on this, here you can choose the language from which language you can change the voice or text. If you want to convert a clip or the entire timeline sequence, you can choose it according to your need. I want the entire timeline sequence. So if I click on this OK option, as you can see here, it's uploading and in transcription process, and it is completed. As you can see, my voice to text clip is here. As you can see here. Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can change your voice to text or text to voice from Filmora 11. So if you want to edit some changes, you can click on this edit properties option and then click on this advanced options. Here you can see the time and the text written here. You can also change its font from here and its size. If you find some error, you can also correct it from here. So if you have a text option, you can also change it into the text. As you can see, I want to convert this file into any of the voice. Like if I click on this dev option and click on the OK, text is converting into voice. If I click delete my own voice and click on this button, here you can see.
Hey guys, in this video, I am going to tell you how you can change your voice to text or text my wife from. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to tell.
So in this way, if you have added the subtitles or you want to change it into the voice, or if you have the voice and want to add the subtitles in your video, the Filmora 11 is here for you to help you out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.